Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to check a total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And as you can see, we've been transferred immediately actually to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for almost 1 hour and 20 minutes. What's more, we've got this this graph actually divided into different sections which are connected with the particular apps which we've been using. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And we've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap directly inside the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, thanks to which you can check the usage time each day in a week. So that's kind of cool. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check some details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, and as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with the with this particular app. So again, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and here from daily to hourly. So that's quite cool. And basically this is how to check the total screen time. But I highly recommend to also take a look on the ways to disconnect. We've got, for example, the bedtime mode and the focus mode, which will be useful if you want to rest. For example, you need to work and you just don't want to receive any notifications from some distracting apps. You can set those modes, and your device will simply limit them and let you, for example, rest. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.